As you can see on the screen, I have dozens of trades on BingX Copy Trading. In this video I will show you how does the copy trading system work in practice and how to withdraw from these trades. First, let me share with you a few words between BingX Copy Trading versus Binance Copy Trading. If Binance works in your location, I think it's a better option. There are much more users. If you take a look at how many copiers I have, it's much more on Binance than on BingX. You can see here on BingX, they are copiers. You can see here, Binance Copy Trading is also, in my personal opinion, easier to use. The platform is more simple and they have separate accounts for copy trading and spot trading. I will show you in a moment how it works here in BingX. However, many of you, my followers, wanted to have alternatives for Binance because Binance didn't work in your country. And because of your requests, I have opened other copy trading opportunities, including this BingX and also Bitget Copy Trading. I will also leave you direct links in the description where you can see immediately all my results and the results of my followers. Of course, past success is not a guarantee of the future, but I'm really happy about the results so far. BingX, Binance and Bitget Copy Trading work with the same idea. There are three parties involved. First, there is a trader that makes the trades. In this case, it's me. Then there are followers who copy my trades. So when I buy Bitcoin, the copiers buy Bitcoin. And then there is a third party, which is the platform, for example, BingX or Binance or Bitget. The main motivator why many beginners like copy trading is because it's automated. You simply deposit the funds, you click here copy, and the trades are done automatically. That being said, I think for most people using an automated Bitcoin DCA bot is a better option. All that being said, let me show you step by step how does BingX Copy Trading work in practice. So I will leave you the first link in the description for BingX Copy Trading. It will take you to this page where you will see my face, my username and the trading data, including the current positions, so you understand how I trade. Here I also explain, I buy Bitcoin, I buy even more Bitcoin and I repeat. Really simple. Then you simply click here copy. And if you already have created an account, you can simply log into your account. If you don't have an account, you can click here sign up and then you can be eligible for the amazing welcome gifts on BingX. You can create your account using your email, phone number, Google or Apple account. All sign up methods are free. Notice that I do spot copy trading here because most people who want to copy me are beginners. So spot trading is perfect because futures trading would have a much higher risk while spot trading is safer. When you want to copy my trades, remember to add enough funds into your copy trading account so you will also buy BTC when I buy it. And some of you may be wondering how to withdraw from BingX Copy Trading. First of all, when you are copy trading, you will see in your spot account the money as frozen because it's in the trades and it will be available when you close the trades. So you will come right here. Let me show spot. If we are doing spot copy trading, you come into spot. And then here you can see copied orders. And here you can see all of the trades. 83 trades in total. It's quite easy. I can simply click here sell/market and you can see market orders submitted. Now I have 82 trades open. Sell market. Market order submitted. So this is how I close this trade. Market order submitted. And I can close even all of my trades by here. You can see sell, 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 sell. You can see it does all of them immediately. It's really fast and easy. And it seems that the money becomes available on your BingX fund account or funding account as some people call it in USDT. Just to show you the proof, if I go back right here on the spot trading and I click here transfer from fund account to spot account, I transfer 202 USDT. I click here confirm and now I click here again. You can see now on funding account I have 0 USDT left. So now let me close a couple of more trades to show you as the money on the funding account should increase. I close here, close, 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 close. Now let me refresh the page. And now you can see that on my funding account there is another 112 USDT available on top of the 202 USDT that I already transferred earlier. So the amount keeps on increasing. Let me just illustrate to you once more. I close, close, and you can see now the amount has been increased significantly. On my funding account there is now 6,490 and on my spot account 214 USDT. So the money from your copy trades will be available immediately. And now of course if you want to withdraw the money, it's extremely easy. You can simply click this withdraw button and choose wherever you want to withdraw. Now what to do next after you have closed the trades? Of course you can use them in any way you want. One of the simple ways that I like to use is simply to get even more Bitcoin directly. Let me transfer all the money into the same account, into the spot. I click here confirm, available, and here you can simply get more BTC by clicking this one. You can also withdraw the money from BingX to other crypto exchanges, including Binance. You will find all the links and resources discussed in today's video in the description right here. BYBIT, Binance, Ultimate Guide and more.